Hello everyone, in this video let's discuss about the 8 puzzle problem with heuristic problem. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe for more engineering related topic, and this 8 puzzle problem will be asked in two ways. One is with heuristic and another one is without heuristic. So the video link of the without heuristic 8 puzzle problem is given in description, you can access it. Now how to solve the 8 puzzle problem with heuristic means, first let's discuss what is the heuristic and how to find the heuristic value. Now heuristic value can also be called as the mismatch. If you see the start state and the goal state, so just compare. 1 and 1 are in same place, 2 is in same place, 3 is in same place. Here free space is there and here 4 is there. So what you must do while writing mismatch is you must not consider the free space in start state. You must not consider the free space in start state. Now what you must do, you must jump to the next one. You must not consider the start state and you must not compare. You must jump to the next. So here 4 is there, here 5 is there. Therefore one mismatch occur. 1 plus. Next here 6 is there, 6 is there. Okay, 7 and 7. Here 5 is there, here 8 is there. So another one mismatch. Plus here 8 is there, here free space is there. Another one mismatch. So what you must do is, if the free space is in the start state, you must not consider it. If the free space is in the goal state, you must consider it as a mismatch. If it is in the start state, you must not consider. If it is in the goal state, that is the free space is in the goal state, means you must consider it as the mismatch. Now what is the total mismatch for this start state? It is 3. So therefore for this start state, the heuristic H value is equal to 3. In every step we will be counting or considering the heuristic value of every state. Now let's proceed. So this 8 puzzle problem will be having 4 major actions. First one is right side moving. Second one is left move. Third one is upside move. Fourth one is downside move. 4 moves will be available. If you see the problem here, in the start state, it can move upside. That is, free space can move upside by replacing 1 here. Next it can move right side. It can move downside. Here if it was any space, it could have moved, but since we are having 8 space, it could have moved. But here it can move to up, right and left, downside. So let's write the possibility. Now the possible ways was moving upside, moving right side, moving downside. Now if the value move upside, or if the space will move upside, means so 1 will come to the place of space and space will go to the 1's place. So and all other elements will be same, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 5, 8, and here it will move to right. That means 4 and space will be swapped. So 4 will come here, space will come here. All other elements will be same as it is. Next, again it can move downside. So downside means 7 will be replaced in space. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 5, 8. Now you must calculate the heuristic value again. Now this consider the upside state, this up state and goal state, and compare them. So you consider this as the start state. In start state, if space is there, you must not consider it as the mismatch. Now calculate the mismatch for the upside. So for the upside, what will be the value? If it is in the start state, if the space is in the start state, you must not consider. Next, 2 and 2 same, 3 is same. Here 1 is there, here 4 is there. So 1 mismatch. Plus here 4 is there, here 5 is there. So another mismatch. 6, 6, okay. 7, 7, okay. Here 5 is there, here 8 is there. Another one mismatch. Plus here 8 is there, here free space is there. 1. So what we will be doing? We will be not considering the free space in the start state as the mismatch, but we will consider the free space in the goal state as the mismatch. Here in the goal state, here we were having free space, here we were having 8. So we will consider it as a mismatch. So total mismatch for the upside state is 4. Now let's go for the right side state. So for the right side state, what is 1 and 1 is same, 2 is same, 3 is same, 4 is same. Here free space is there. If it is in the start state, we will be not considering it. If it is in the start state, we will not consider it. 6 and 6 are same, 7 and 7 are same. Here 5 is there, here 8 is there. 1 plus here 8 is there, here free space is there. Since the free space is in the goal state, we will be considering it. Total 2 mismatch, or the heuristic value is 2. Now for the down. So 1 is same, 2 is same, 3 is same. Here 7 is there, here 4 is there. So 1 mismatch. Here 4 is there, here 5 is there. Another mismatch. 6 same. Here free space is there, here 7 is there. If free space is in the start state, you don't consider it. Next 5 is there, 8 is there. Another mismatch. Here 8 is there, here free space is there. Since free space is in the goal state, we will be considering it as a mismatch. So total 4 mismatch. So for upside 4, for right side 2, for downside 4. So what we must do is, who is having the less heuristic value, who is having the less mismatch or the less heuristic value, we will be selecting that state to proceed and get the final or the goal state. Now since the right state will be having the 2 heuristic value, that is the least among these 3, so I will be selecting this one. So if I select this one, this can have 4 operations. This free space can be replaced with upside, right side, downside and left side. Now what will be the possible ways? It can go to upside, it can go to right side, it can go to downside, it can go to left side. Now if it go to upside, free space will be exchanged with upside value, that is 2. So 2 will come here and all other elements will be same in their places itself. Now why I selected this one? Because it is having the less heuristic value. So this will be eliminated. Next, right side means 6 and free space will be swapped. 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 5, 8. Next, downside means 5. So 5 will be in the place of space and space will go to the 5's place. Next here, it will be left side. So 4 will come here. 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 5, 8. Now let's find the heuristic value for all of this. Let's consider the up state as the start state and compare with the goal state. So 1 and 1 is same and here free space is there. So if the free space is in the start state, don't consider it as the mismatch. Now for next 3 and 3 are same, 4 and 4 are same. Here 2 is there, here 5 is there. So 1 mismatch. 6 same, 7 same. Here 5 is there, here 8 is there. Another mismatch. Here 8 is there, here free space is there. If the free space is in the goal state, you will be considering it as the mismatch. So total 3 mismatch. Now next, for the right one, consider it as the start state and compare with the goal state. 1 and 1 are same, 2 is same, 3 is same, 4 is same. Here 6 is there, here 5 is there. So 1 mismatch. Here free space is there, here 6 is there. Since free space is in the start state, you must not consider it. Now your 7 is there, here 7 is there. Here 5 is there, here 8. So another 1 mismatch. Here 8 is there, here free space is there. Since the free space is in the goal state, we will be considering it as the mismatch. Total 3 mismatch. Next, for the downside state. So 1 and 1 are same, 2 is same, 3 is same, 4 is same, 5 is same, 6 is same, 7 is same. Now free space is there here, you must not consider it because it is in the start state. Next, 8 is there, here free space is there. Since free space is in the goal state, we will be considering it as a mismatch. So it will be having only 1 mismatch. Next, left side state. So consider it as the start state, compare with the goal state. 1 is same, 2, 3. Here free space is there. If the free space is in the start state, don't consider it. Next, here 4 is there, here 5 is there. So 1 mismatch occur. Plus 6 is same, 7 is same. Here 5 is there, here 8 is there. So another 1 mismatch. Here 8 is there, here free space. If free space is in the goal state, you will consider it as the mismatch. So total 3 mismatch. So write them. 3, 1 and 3. So who is having the less heuristic value or the less mismatch? So that is D equal to 1. Now you will be expanding this one. So this is having 3 possibility or the 3 actions. So that is moving upside, moving left side, moving right side. Now the final step, that is you will be going with the 3 actions, that is down, next right, third. You will be going with the 3 action, that is upside, left side, right side. Upside, right side and left side. If it go to the upside, free space and 5 will be exchanged. So 5 will come to the place of free space and free space to the 5th place. And all other elements will be same as it is. Next, if it go to the right, it will be replaced with the 8. 8 will come here and all other elements will be same as it is. Next, if it go to the left side, so left side means 7 will come here and all other elements will be same as it is. Now you compare with the goal state. If you compare with the goal state, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we got the goal state here. From the initial or the start state, we traverse in a way that using the less heuristic value, finally we found the goal state. So what we did in this problem is, we just saw the heuristic value or the mismatches in the 2 states, that is in the start state and the goal state. So initially it was 3. How we calculated? We just compared between these two, that is the start state and the goal state. If there was any mismatch in the number, we would have added, and if the free space was in the start state, we will not consider it as the mismatch. If the free space is in the goal state, while comparing, we will consider it as the mismatch. If it is in goal state only, we will consider it as mismatch. Then we add the 3 actions, that is upside, right side and downside. So we will compare all these 3 and write the heuristic value for all of them, that is the mismatch. Who will be having the less mismatch or the less heuristic value, we will be expanding them only, and we will leave other possibilities with higher heuristic value. Hope you understood the concept of the 8 puzzle problem with heuristic. Without heuristic method is given in the description, you can access it. If you liked the video, please subscribe and support us. That will motivate us to make more engineering related topics. Thank you.